Hello, I am Abderrahim Biad. This video introduces a conceptual framework, bridging physics and biology, under the umbrella of BIAD, Biophysics Research, and Human Life Sciences. This video is about gravitational dynamics and the Galactic Navigator. It explores the God particle as a thermo-chromic particle, the essence of all life. This unique research applies quantum mechanics wave-particle duality to discover a particle common to all material entities. We discuss the quest for a universal theory, linking every physical aspect of the universe into a cohesive framework. We acknowledge the accelerator paradox, where particle accelerators provide limited conclusions, suggesting secrets are revealed within the atom itself. This leads to the true theory of everything, explaining matter's dual nature, solid near Earth and fluid in deep space. The core of this theory, expressed by the equation B equals EP equals n pi, connects gravitational waves dynamics and the Galactic Navigator. It links spin up and spin down, the qubit, with energy and resistance across a frequency spectrum, suggesting the birth of a third particle, n. The application of this theory suggests that the duality of matter means it is solid on Earth and fluid in space. The equation B equals EP equals n pi is the simplest formula to explain this clarity. Physicists have tried to formulate a single theory, using accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider. However, particle accelerators often produce dust, which limits our conclusions. The deepest secrets of subatomic particles are only revealed when studied within the integrity of the atom. Bridging particle physics and human energy starts with recognizing that accelerator data is limited, forming, quote, the challenge. Observation relies on sensory evidence and rigorous testing as scientific bedrock. The breakthrough is the discovery that human organisms use electromagnetic inductance at the subatomic scale for animation and mobility. Yes, a true theory of everything exists. It covers all scientific branches and explains the essence of matter through its dual nature, solid closer to Earth and fluid in space. This concept sheds light on the mystery of material existence. This is the unified theory of energetic matter, bridging physics and biological animation. The challenge is that accelerators produce dust rather than secrets. Observation forms the bedrock of the dual nature theory. The breakthrough is the realization that human organisms utilize electromagnetic inductance for animation and mobility. This theory is based on scientific observation and testing. As a system engineer, I tested the effect of human energy at the subatomic scale. I discovered that the human body uses electromagnetic inductance for animation, where energy impacting matter causes its mobility. The unified theory of energetic matter is anchored in scientific observation. The challenge is overcoming the, quote, dust produced by accelerators. Observation confirms the dual nature theory, solid on Earth, fluid in space. The breakthrough is the role of electromagnetic inductance in animating organisms. Before the universe, there was a vacuum, emptiness and non-entity without geometry. If the void has no measurements, space-time, curvature, and light bending are unfounded hypotheses. Understanding the void helps us understand the creation of the universe. Galaxies are suspended in the vacuum of space, balanced by the friction and dynamics of their energies. The universe began with energized, hot, tiny particles. As they expanded and cooled, they formed matter, atoms, and eventually, over millions of years, stars and galaxies. The research potential of this theory lies in three areas: measuring coherence, studying electromagnetic interactions, and integrating physics and biology. This work is presented as a conceptual framework and an early-stage model, which has not yet been experimentally validated. I invite collaboration to further this research. In conclusion, coherence may be central to life, and the organization of energy matters greatly. Thank you for viewing this video. Our conceptual model for coherence is illustrated by these interacting units. These units represent a system in which every component is aligned and working together harmoniously.